Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll share with us a Temu secret code that no one is talking about. I mean, some people just use the Temu app normally every day without knowing that there is a particular code they can use to actually get access to discounts and high quality products with 5-star ratings, 4-star ratings, and a lot of reviews. I mean, when you're shopping on the Temu app, it's important you go to products that have a lot of reviews so that you can be able to read what people say about a particular product before you go ahead to buy them. It's very important when shopping on the Temu app. Now, without talking too much, this is what you do. Log into your Temu app just as I have. I'm on the Temu app right now. Click on the search bar and type this code ACY 077290. Now click on it and just wait for it to come up. This page will come up. Now when you use this code, they usually give you an additional offer. It's either they give you free gifts or they give you coupons. All right, right now I'm being offered, I think, coupon, but I'm not interested in that, so I'll just cancel this. Now when you use the code I just shared, you're brought to this page. Okay, whatever it is you want to buy is on this page, be it in the women category, shoes, men, children, whatever it is you need to buy. You can even search here in the search bar that is provided. Whatever it is you need is right here. Now, what do you stand to gain if you use this code? What you stand to gain is this: you're going to get discounted items on this page. Not just discounted, they are items that people have bought over and over again. Just like this one, you can see 10,000 plus sold, and you can see that these items have 4-star ratings or 4.5-star ratings. Okay, even as high as 5-star ratings. Yes, and you're going to see a lot of these items being sold. This gives you the opportunity to read reviews. Now, I cannot stress it enough. When you're shopping on the Temu app, you need to read reviews. That's what's going to help you choose the right product. So whatever it is you need to buy, make sure you use this code first. Just log into your Temu app, search this code. Then from this page, add things to your cart, make your payments, and that's it. Okay, hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. You can share with me in the comment section your experience using this code and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.